Lennox air handler CBX32MV blower not working, speed control board PN40K82 green light is flashing every 5 seconds. Motor replaced 3 weeks ago. There is voltage to motor.
Russ here. Did they replace module also? Russ.
No, what module? The entire motor was replaced 3 weeks ago. What does the speed control board 10K82 green flashing light mean? And what module?
The black module on end of motor. My Lennox archives show this a variable speed motor. FOS 16 pins connector. Russ.
Yes, the module was replaced with the motor.
Jumper red and green RNG at terminal board and see if motor runs. If not, take red from our on terminal board and slip in beside the 12 terminal on harness. If you would like service manual for this unit, I can tell you where to download and we can follow together. Russ.
That would be great. To have the service manual, I think the new motor and module is defective. Regrettable, I live in the Virgin Islands and have to do this work myself. Thank you. If you could link me with the service manual, I would be very grateful.
Go to www.cozyparts.com, click Owner's Manuals, next text Service Manuals, bottom left. Next click Furnaces, scroll to your furnace and click Manual will come up. Russ.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.